When it comes to conducting land surveys in Dehradun, hiring a private land surveyor is essential. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a reputable company that provides private land surveying services in Dehradun. With their expertise and experience, they offer accurate and reliable surveying solutions to their clients. A private land surveyor plays a crucial role in various aspects of land development projects. They are responsible for determining the boundaries of a property, identifying any encroachments or easements, and providing detailed topographical data. This information is vital for landowners, developers, and government agencies to make informed decisions regarding land use and development. Scon Design India Private Ltd stands out as a reliable choice for private land surveying in Dehradun. They have a team of highly skilled and trained surveyors who use advanced equipment and techniques to ensure precise and accurate results. Their expertise extends to various types of surveys, including boundary surveys, construction surveys, and topographic surveys. As a private land surveyor in Dehradun, Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of maintaining the highest standards of professionalism and ethics. They prioritize client satisfaction and strive to deliver quality services within the agreed-upon timeframes. Their team works closely with clients to understand their specific requirements and provide tailored solutions that meet their needs. Scon Design India Private Ltd also offers additional services such as GIS mapping, land planning, and land acquisition surveys. Their comprehensive range of services makes them a one-stop solution for all land surveying needs in Dehradun. Whether it is for residential, commercial, or industrial projects, they have the expertise to handle any surveying requirement. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a reputable company offering private land surveyor services in Dehradun. As a leading provider in the industry, Scon Design India Private Ltd specializes in conducting accurate and detailed land surveys for various purposes. Whether it's for residential, commercial, or industrial properties, their team of skilled and experienced surveyors ensures that clients receive reliable and precise survey results. When it comes to private land surveying, Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of providing accurate measurements and data. Their team utilizes advanced surveying equipment and techniques to gather comprehensive information about the land, including boundaries, topography, and any existing structures. This data is then analyzed and compiled into detailed survey reports, which can be used for a variety of purposes such as property development, construction planning, and legal documentation. One of the key advantages of hiring a private land surveyor from Scon Design India Private Ltd is their expertise in navigating the local regulations and requirements in Dehradun. Land surveys often involve compliance with zoning laws, building codes, and other regulatory standards. Their team has a deep understanding of these regulations and ensures that all surveys are conducted in accordance with the local guidelines. This not